Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to enhance customer service with Perplexity AI. This powerful tool can help you improve customer interactions, provide quicker responses, and boost overall satisfaction. So let's dive in. First of all, visit the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can do it by simply first of all sign up on the Perplexity AI platform and then get on the bottom left corner, select the settings icon. Now go to the top right corner and select API section. Now select talks and then select this get started button. Now here you can get process of how to get an API key. This key will give you access to Perplexity AI's customer service features. Next, set up your development environment. Make sure you have the necessary libraries and dependencies installed to interact with the Perplexity AI API. Integrate Perplexity AI into your customer service platform. This could be through chatbots, support ticket systems, or live chat applications. Configure the API to handle customer inquiries and generate responses. Use Perplexity AI to automate routine tasks such as answering frequently asked questions, providing product information, or guiding users through troubleshooting steps. This will help reduce the workload on your support team. Leverage Perplexity AI's natural language processing capabilities to understand and categorize customer queries. This will help route tickets to the appropriate department or provide more accurate responses. Monitor and analyze interactions handled by Perplexity AI to identify common issues and areas for improvement. Use these insights to refine your customer service strategies and improve the quality of responses. Now train and fine-tune Perplexity AI with your specific customer service data. This will help it provide more relevant and contextually accurate responses. Regularly update and maintain the integration to ensure it continues to meet your customer service needs and adapts to any changes in your business processes. And that's it. By following these steps, you can enhance your customer service with Perplexity AI, providing faster and more efficient support to your customers while improving overall satisfaction. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.